Hi crochet friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stefania and today I'll be showing you how I make my leaf garland. This pattern uses a Tunisian crochet method, but if you're unfamiliar, don't worry. I'll break down the process step by step. If you like this tutorial, I have other crochet tutorials I've made. I'll link the playlist in the description below. If you like this kind of video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and turn on post notifications. That way you'll be informed next time I release a video. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. For this tutorial, you will need yarn in whatever color you want your leaves to be, a crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. Since I'm using two colors of yarn together for this tutorial, I chose a 5.5mm Susan Bates hook. However, when I made my first leaf garland, I only used a single yarn, so I used my 4mm hook instead. Regardless of what size yarn and hook you're using, the process will all be the same. For the very first leaf, you'll start with a slip knot, but the pattern remains the same for each leaf. Since I've already got a garland started, I'm just going to show you how to make the leaf at this point. The first thing you'll do is chain 8 stitches. Then, in the second stitch from the hook, we're going to insert yarn over and pull loop through. Now these leaves are made using a Tunisian style of crochet, so we're going to leave this loop on our hook. We're then going to yarn over and insert our hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. We'll then do another double crochet with a yarn over. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So we have our initial loop, our single crochet loop, and 2 double crochet loops, all on our hook. Then we're going to add 3 treble crochet stitches. So yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Let's do that again. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we'll do one more treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now into the last stitch, we're going to do a double crochet. So yarn over once, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. You should now have 8 loops on your hook. Again, because I'm using 2 yarns at the same time, you'll see the double amount, but if you're using a single yarn, it'll just be the 8 loops. Once you have the 8 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops, continuing until you only have a single loop left on your hook. We're then going to turn our leaf over and insert our hook into this first stitch here. Now, it might be a little tricky to see which stitch I mean, so before you turn it over, you can locate it that this is the first stitch, and this would be the second stitch from our hook. So we'll insert our hook there, yarn over, pull through, and then move on to the next one, following the same pattern as we did on the first side of the leaf. So 1 single crochet, 2 double crochets, 3 treble crochets, and a final double crochet. Remember to leave the last loop of each stitch on your hook as you move forward, so you end up with 8 stitches on your hook. When you've got all 8, you yarn over, pull through 2 loops, Again, continuing until you're left with one loop on your hook. And just like that, your leaf is done, and you're ready to move on to the next one with, again, chaining 8 stitches. Once you've got this pattern memorized, it's pretty easy to kind of zone out and just keep making leaves until the garland is the length that you want it to be. I think this garland is great for decorating your home for the autumn and winter seasons. You can really customize this garland using different colors for your leaves and making it whatever length you like. You could even try crocheting other motifs such as acorns, squirrels, birds, pine cones, or other fall items and attaching them to the garland. This is really just a jumping off point to get you started. I'm still going to add more leaves to my garland, but I'll show you what to do if you've got the length that you're looking for. All you'll need to do is yarn over and pull through one, pull a little bit of a tail, and cut the end. You can either leave the tail loose to hang off the end of your garland, create a loop so you can easily attach it to your wall, or if you want, you can even weave the end into your last leaf to hide it away. Thanks for watching until the end of the video. If you liked this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. I make new videos every week, including check-in videos, crochet tutorials, and other craft content. If you have any suggestions for what you want to see a tutorial for next, leave those in the comment section down below. We're getting closer and closer to 100 subscribers to this channel, so I'm planning a 100 subscriber special. If you have any suggestions for what I should do, leave those in the comment section down below. And if you want to be one of my crochet friends, make sure you're subscribed as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!